Hi, my name is Kroedel, Technical Program Leader Digital Innovation here at Kennametal.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Wallraff. I'm Head of Technology in the area of digital manufacturing at ModuleWorks.
Today we are going to apply the new SmartRoughing solution from ModuleWorks, which Kennametal supported as part of our recent strategic partnership. We are going to use this solution for high-performance roughing of IC40-140 steel using our HV1TE solid carbide end.
The roughing toolpath technology landscape is very diverse. There are numerous solutions out there, but the question is, how efficient are they and how easy is it to set them up and to program them? We see that there are two major issues that are not really being addressed yet. First, the toolpath calculation does not really consider the machine setup. The goal is to find the best cutting parameters for the most efficient cutting conditions. Those cutting conditions depend on the single components, their physical capabilities and properties. Those components are, first and foremost, the tool, the shape and the geometry. Then we have the spindle interface, so the holder. Then we have the spindle, so the information about the torque and the power. And at last, the material of the stock. Without this information, it's not really possible to use the machine setup to its full potential. That means the programming is less efficient. Today, only expert users are really able to program an efficient toolpath. Second, the part shape is not really considered during toolpath calculation. Most roughing toolpaths use only a single set of cutting parameters, feeds and speed, depth cuts, and also the step over. This works good on simple prismatic geometries where you only have one cut level. But many toolpaths are not really efficient when it comes to more complex parts with deep cavities where you have multiple cut levels, and also you have many small areas where you have varying excess materials. Today, machining those parts efficiently would mean that you have to put a lot of manual work in the CAM programming.
Here we have a complex 3-axis workpiece with multiple depth layers. Normally, these depth layers would need to be optimized individually. With SmartRoughing, we make it a lot easier for CAM users to program and process these parts, allow them to be extremely effective and confident when applying Kennametal tools. Especially if those users have to take into consideration less rigid machines or long tool holders, we make sure that the right processing conditions are applied. Users will be able to select the tool directly from the Kennametal website. Once selected, all of the tool specifications will be loaded into the software so that the toolpath can be optimized for that particular tool. After the tool specifications are in the system, all the user has to do is add the machine spindle connection and the machine's torque and power limit. Now, when the user triggers the calculation to start, it will automatically create an optimized toolpath for all depth steps, including ramp-in movements. For all layers, the axial and radial step over will be optimized so that the tool runs at maximum material removal without pushing beyond any physical limits. Additionally, a significant amount of time can be saved for the CAM user because the optimization of each pocket is happening automatically with no further input needed. We will now show the machining of this workpiece made of IC40-140 steel using the SmartRoughing solution. As a comparison, we are going to show a conventional adaptive roughing strategy that has not been optimized using the SmartRoughing technology.
As you can see, the SmartRoughing toolpath allows much more aggressive engagement conditions, and the solid carbide end mills are not pushed beyond physical limitations. The customer gets a quality part. Overall, we have observed up to 50% reduced machining times, as you see in this video. SmartRoughing also offers other valuable benefits, such as improved tool holder and spindle life, reduced dependency on skilled workforce, and last but not least, the reduction of cost of poor quality. With SmartRoughing, we bring together tooling knowledge and CAM toolpath calculation. We expect to launch the product in early 2025. Then it will be available for CAM software providers. We are very excited about the partnership and collaboration with Kennametal, and we are excited about the products that we are going to develop together.